Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about on how to back up your computer Google's cloud. Data is backbone of our digital lives and protecting it from loss and damages is crucial. Google Cloud Services offer a reliable and convenient way to back up your computer, ensuring that your important files are safe and accessible from anywhere. Table of contents. Introduction: the importance of data backup. Method 1: Google Drive file and folder backup. Setting up Google Drive backup. Method 2: backup and sign for Windows and macOS. Comprehensive backup solution, installation and setup. Method 3: Google Photos, backing up photos and videos. Configuring Google Photos backup. Method 4: third-party backup solution, expanding your backup options and popular backup tools. Best practices for Google Cloud backup: data selection and organization, regular backup schedule, data security and privacy. Choosing the right backup method, consider your needs and preference and comprehensive approach. And conclusion: data security and accessibility. Introduction: the importance of data backup. In the age where we store everything from cherished memories to critical work documents digitally, the potential loss of data can be devastating. It is crucial to have a solid data backup strategy in place to protect your files from hardware failure and accident or security breaches. Google Cloud Services provide a versatile platform for computer backup, offering both simplicity and comprehensive solution. Method 2: Google Drive file and folder backup. Google Drive is a Google Cloud storage and synchronization service that it can serve as a primary backup solution for your files and folders. It allows you to store, sign, and across your files from various devices while keeping them securely stored in the cloud. Backup and sign for Windows and macOS. Comprehensive backup solution. Google offers a powerful tool known as a backup and sign, which allow you to back up and your computer entire system, including documents, desktop, and picture. This method goes beyond file synchronization and include full backup capabilities. Google Photos, backing up photos and videos. If your primary concern is backing up photos and videos, Google Photos is a dedicated solution. It allows you to store an unlimited number of high-quality photos and videos for free, making it an excellent option for preserving your cherished memories. Google Photos is an excellent option for those who want to preserve their visual memories securely. It is particularly valuable for individuals who don't require full computer backup but still want their photos and videos protected. Third-party backup solution, expanding your backup options. While Google's own solutions are powerful and reliable, there are also third-party backup tools available that can expand your options and provide advanced features. These tools often offer full system image backups, real-time signing, and backup for multiple devices. The choice of a third-party backup solution depends on your specific requirement, whether you need full system image backups, advanced recovery option, or backup for multiple devices. So that's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you to understand. If you have any questions about the topic, please leave a comment below, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.